Hey, what's going on, everybody? Corey here with Creative Audio, and today we're going to introduce you to ELAC and ELAC's brand new series they just released, the Debut 3.0. So as you can see, we have most of the family from the new Debut 3.0 series sitting here with us. The Debut 3.0 is a re-engineered, redesigned speaker from ELAC that comes off of the predecessors, the Debut and the Debut 2.0, both of which were great speakers, but they just wanted to take it a next step and make them even better. So in the Debut 3.0, some of the new things that they've done is they've changed up both their tweeter and their woofer configurations. In this speaker, we get the new custom bespoke 1-inch aluminum tweeter, and we get the Aramid fiber cone woofer. So they've really retooled and redesigned this speaker just to give us a little bit more output, and I'm gonna tell you, the output is phenomenal. The Debut 3.0 currently comes in any color as long as it's black. They also offer subwoofers that partner perfectly with this series, but those will be reviewed at a different time. So as you can see here with me, I have a couple of different options to show. We have the DB53, which is going to be the bookshelf. This is one of their stars in the lineup right now. It's a 5¼ inch bookshelf speaker, and I'm gonna tell you, the bass output reproduction with this speaker is phenomenal. Up from there, they do have a 6½ inch version, which just gets you a little bit more output. Next in the series is going to be floor standing speakers. I have the DF63 here with me, and the DF63 is going to be 6½ inch woofers with a 6½ inch mid-range driver. They also come in the DF53, which, as you could guess, is a 5¼ inch woofer and a 5¼ inch driver. This allows you to have options to choose what's going to be best for your layout and your design to make sure that you're getting what you want. Continuing on the series, we have center channels. Here in front of me, I've got the DC53. That comes with 2 full range 5¼ and the 1-inch bespoke aluminum tweeter. And they do make a DC63 so we can have a little more output. And yes, that has 2 6½ inch full range drivers and the bespoke 1-inch aluminum tweeter. To round out the series, we have the DA43. The DA43 is kind of a cool speaker because it's multi-purpose use. It can be used as either an Atmos module to sit on top of the tower speakers, or you can mount it on the wall and make it a side surround or rear surround. So it's really nice, giving you multi-purpose use. It does come with a 4-inch Aramid woofer, and we're still getting that 1-inch bespoke aluminum tweeter. So it's a great piece here. It does have mounting bracket right on the back, so it's easy to mount on the wall if you need to, and then it'll just sit right on top of the tower speaker to give you that Atmos module if that's what you need. Now that we've gone over all the models, I'd like to give some breakdowns of some key features that come with all these speakers. One of the cool parts is the grills. They're magnetic. You don't have to worry about anything breaking off or lining it up with anything. You just get it right on there and the magnets pull it together. Your tower speakers and your bookshelf speakers are going to come with a flared port, the towers having 2, the bookshelves having 1. That's going to allow low bass extension to give us better bass dynamics and frequency, thus giving us better bass response. The tower speakers do come with a kit that allows you to have a couple options to choose whether you're going to be putting these speakers on hardwood floor or carpeted floor, so that way as to not scratch your hardwood floor and to make sure that you have good isolation when the speakers are standing. So in this series, they have something for everybody. Whether you're just wanting stereo listening or you want a full surround sound setup, they have a speaker that fits your needs. Well, if you've made it this far, you're obviously interested in the new ELAC Debut 3.0 series. They're an incredible speaker, and we hope one day you get to experience them yourself. Thanks for tuning in, and if you like this video, make sure to check back with us in the future.